Is that better?
No, no.
You're moving around so much I can't get you. Are you trying to get away from my camera? Oh.
You should take a picture of this.
Why? I'm getting it on video.
Well, you can take a picture of this now. A video of this.
I'm taking pictures too. You gotta look at me though. Look up at mommy.
I'm getting it.
Look up and be still. Put one foot in front of the other. You're silly.
Why are you squishing me?
I'm squishing you.